Okay guys, welcome back to Lala's Lounge, and today I'm going to get straight to the point. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my fermented rice water. This has been going around as a big craze for hair growth, hair strengthening. So I'm just going to show you guys what I use and what I do. I have the Simply Balanced Organic Jasmine Rice. You can use any brand, you can use any type of rice, but it needs to be organic. So I just bought this from Target, I think. I think that's a Simply Balanced brand that they have. And it's just plain old regular white jasmine rice. You can use brown rice, you can use long grain rice, you can use any type of rice that you want. I just happen to get this one, and I use this only for my hair. So you're also going to need a mason jar or something to store it in while it ferments. You're going to need a strainer so that you can rinse the rice off. And I just use a knife because it's easier to stir once I put it in the actual jar. So first, what you're going to do is rinse and wash the rice, because you want to make sure that it doesn't have any residue or anything like that from when they process the rice. Alright, I fill mine up. I don't know how much it says. I do not measure it. I'm not going to measure it. You can just eyeball how much you think you'll need, based on how much hair you have and how much you like to put in it. There's no perfect measurement. You don't have to look at measurements and all that. You just rinse it off in the water. Alright. And I like to move it around. I got this mason jar from the dollar store, like literally Dollar Tree, I'm pretty sure. Then you're going to put the rice into the jar. This is, I actually used a lot. Okay. Then I do not use the water from the sink. I use alkaline water that I get from a local pharmacy. So you're just going to pour it in. I have a lot of hair, so I'll probably fill this up almost all the way. And then what I like to do is kind of just stir it around and kind of smash the rice up against the edge of the jar to try to get as much of the nutrients out of the rice and kind of squeezing it so that it gets in the water good. I will leave this to ferment for probably about 2 or 3 days. So today is Monday, so I'll probably strain this out, strain the water into a spray bottle, and then throw the rice away. And that's literally it. And you just spray it on your hair and you rinse it out. After you spray it on your hair, you can leave it on for about 30 minutes or so, and then you just want to rinse it out. Okay, but that's all. You have to make sure you have a tight seal on the actual jar. I'll probably store this in my closet because you want to put it somewhere where it's dark and cool. And that's all. That's how it looks. And it's going to be foggy. The water's going to be foggy. It's supposed to look like that, so don't worry about that. But that's all you have to do, ladies, and it's super, super simple. If you want to, you can always add essential oils to this, Like you can put peppermint oil in it, tea tree oil in it, coconut oil in it if you like. I don't put anything in there. I just leave it like this, and to me the smell isn't bad enough for me to have to try to put like lavender oil in it to distract the smell. So that's it. If you have any questions or you have any different techniques on how you guys maybe have fermented rice in the past or what you use, let me know and I will test it out. But thanks for coming to Lala's Lounge. Bye.